Good morning, students. Already we have understand the pointers, the basic concept of pointers, what is its benefits in programming, its declaration, initialization, null pointer, and also in the second video we have understand some points to remember about pointer, how to access variable through pointer, and how we are using arithmetic expression by using pointer we have also seen. So in this session we have understood uh, about the double pointer or chain of pointers. Okay, pointer increments and the scale factor, pointer and arrays in C. So in this day 3 we are going to the chain of pointers or pointer to a pointer or double pointer. So chain of pointers, the name itself defines that there is a number of pointer variables is used, and one pointer variable as an address to another pointer variable, and that pointer variable also indicates a variable. So this situation is called the chain of pointers or pointer to a pointer, or it called the double pointer. So let's make it clear. It is possible to make a pointer to point another pointer, thus creating a chain of pointers, or pointer to a pointer, or it is called the double pointer. So pointers are used to store the address of other variable of similar data type. But if you want to store the address of a pointer variable, then again need a pointer to store it. Thus, when one pointer variable stores the address of another pointer variable, it is known as pointer to pointer variable or double pointer or chain of pointers, or it is also called the multiple indirection. So here is the pictorial diagram. Here address 2 indicates the address 1 and address 1 indicates the value. So address 2 contain the P2 integer pointer variable, address 1 contains the P1 integer pointer variable, and value is assigned to integer variable. Okay, so let's check the syntax. Int to unary operator is used, and then the pointer variable name. So first we have to declare the data type. Integer is a data type. First we write the data type. Then to unary operator, then the variable name. So P1 is a pointer to a pointer of integer type. To indirection operator, which stores and points to the address of a pointer variable, that is int star. So P1 is not a pointer to an integer but rather a pointer to an integer pointer. Now consider the following code. What is the code? Start int main, then we declare int x pointer P1 comma double pointer P2, and x equal to 100 is assigned. P1 equal to ampersand x, that means P1 contains the address of x. P2 equal to ampersand P1, that means P2 contains the address value of P1. Now if we are want to display the value of 100, so we can also write instead of x in the printf double pointer P2. Double pointer P2 also returns the value 100. Why? P1 is declared as a pointer to an integer and P2 is a pointer to a pointer to an integer. That's why P2 display the value of x. Okay. Hope you will understand the chain of pointers or pointer to a pointer or double pointer, and it also called the multiple indirection also. Okay. Let's take an example to make it more clear about double pointer or chain of pointers or pointers to and pointers or use of multiple indirection. So has include str.h, int means start, int a equal to 10, int pointer p1 stores address value of variable a, int double pointer p2 stores address of pointer variable p1. Okay, now p1 equal to ampersand a, p2 equal to ampersand p1. Now printf address of a equal to %u, because to display the address we are using the format specifier %u, quotation complete %a. Printf address of p1 equal to %u /n, quotation complete %p1. Address of p2 equal to %u, quotation complete %p2. Now printf the value of the value at the address stored by p2 equal to %u, quotation complete, after comma we are put pointer p2. Next printf show value at the address stored by p1 equal to %u, okay, quotation complete, pointer p1, and printf value of double pointer p2 equal to %d, quotation complete, comma, then we write pointer double pointer p2. This double pointer p2 read in this way also. Now it's written 0. So let's move to the output. What would be the output? Address of a equal to 26,86,724. Address of P1 equal to 26,86,728. Address of P2 equal to 26,86,732. The value at the address stored by P2 equal to 26,86,724. The value at the address stored by P1 equal to 10, and the value of pointer P2 equal to 100. So here we are able to display the address value. This address value will be changed, depends on the system memory. Okay. So this is the pictorial diagram where A stores the value 10, P1 stores the value address value of A 26,86,724, and P2 stores the address value of P1 26,86,728. Okay. Now pointer increments. Next subtopic is pointer increments and scale factor. Let's consider the pointers can be increments like p1 equal to p2 plus 2, p1 equal to p1 plus 1. So an expression like p1 plus plus can be used. For example, if p1 is an integer pointer with an initial value, say 2800, then after the operation of p1 equal to p1 plus 1, the value of p1 will be 2802, not 2801. So increment a pointer, its value is increased by the length of the data type that it points to. This length is called the scale factor. Okay, so in this way we can increment a pointer and also maintain the scale factor too. That means this p1 obviously a integer data type. So integer data type size is, that means how many size it takes to store, it's 2 byte. So that's why when the initial or base value is 2800, then after increment the value of address will be 2802. Okay. Next, pointer and array in C. When an array is declared, compiler allocates sufficient amount of memory to contain all the elements of the array. Base address, that is the address of the first element of the array, is also allocated by the compiler. The compiler also defines the array name as a constant pointer to the first element. That means the pointer and array, when we learn array, we have also learned how to declare it. Okay. Now consider int x5. That means this x array contains the 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the representation. We can represent the array. Base address of x, suppose 1000, and each integer requires 2 bytes. As it is integer, the 5 elements will be stored as follows. So elements with the index x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and the value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Address starts from the 1000, then 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. 1000 is the base address. So the name x is defined as a constant pointer pointing to the first element x0, and therefore the value of x is 1000. The location where x0 is stored is x equal to ampersand x0 equal to 1000. Okay. So in this way we can represent the array. Okay, as we learned early, and how it is used by the pointer. So we declare int pointer p. Now p equal to x, this is equivalent to p equal to ampersand x0. Okay, in this way p equal to ampersand x1 equal to ampersand x2 equal to ampersand x3 and equal to ampersand x4. Now we can access every value of x using p plus plus move from one element to another. The relationship between p and x is like that: p equal to ampersand x0 which contain the address value is 1000. Okay, then P1, it means P1 plus plus P plus plus, that means it's incremented. So P1 plus 1 equal to ampersand x1, which contain the address value 1002. Then P plus 2 equal to ampersand x2 and the address value 1004. P plus 3 equal to ampersand x3 contain the address value 1006. P plus 4 equal to x4 ampersand x4 contain the address value 1008. So when handling arrays, instead of using array indexing, we can use the pointers to access array element, so that pointer P plus 3 gives the value of x3. The pointer accessing method is much faster than array indexing. So using pointer, we can easily use or faster, we can use more faster than array indexing. So this is the pointer and array. We will discuss more about pointer and array, like array of pointer, in the next session. Okay, so let understand this video session today. Okay, we will continue tomorrow also. Thank you.